I like to learn about different family traditions and traditions from different countries. And today I learned about a party food for kids' birthday parties called fairy bread. It's a custom in Australia for kids' birthday parties to have a little treat made out of white bread, butter, and sprinkles. And it's very easy to do. It's cute. It's not the most complicated recipe you'll ever see me make, but it's something that I thought was fun since I was also thinking about making fairy gardens today too. So, alright, let me show you how to do this. You take some nice white bread. It's not toasted, it's just fresh white bread. Lay that out here. Alright, now we have some softened butter. And we're going to just spread some nice butter on each one of the pieces of bread. And basically this is just to have a surface that the sprinkles will stick to. Now in Australia they call these sprinkles hundreds and thousands. And that's what I mean. It's fun to learn about other countries' traditions. And we get used to the same kind of party food and the same kind of things for birthday parties. This might be something that you like to try when you have some kids get together or some adults. It's kind of sugary and sweet. And we'll butter them up. Okay, cut to the part that's not too soft. Alright, here we have 6 pieces of bread. Now, I chose different color sprinkles so that they have some contrast when we put this out on the plate. The ones that you normally see from Australia have the rainbow sprinkles. So let's start with one of those. We're going to take the piece of bread and lay it on a plate so that we don't get sprinkles all over the place. And then I'm just going to pour on top. Make sure that there's enough to cover all the butter and that they will stick. Alright, I'm just going to press them down a little bit so they stay put. Alright, then I'm just going to cut this diagonally. Down. Alright, let's change to a different color. I have some nice purple sanding sugar here. And we're going to cover this piece with purple. Make sure the butter's covered. And we'll cut that diagonally too. And leave that next. Alright, let's move on to some yellow. That's a nice sunny color there, don't you think? I think these would make nice little treats for Easter too. When you're thinking of having several different desserts, this is one that the kids would enjoy. Alright, now let's get... I should have had 6. Alright, now I have a new kind of sugar here I never had before. It's called Candy Shreds. So let's try this one. These are long little pieces. See how they are? Something new in the baking aisle. They're pretty. Alright, and make sure they all attach with the butter. Cut that in a diagonal. Now we're going to repeat a couple here. We're going to go back to the Rainbow sprinkles, the hundreds and thousands. Everybody likes them, right? Crunchy. And let's go back to another repeat color here. Purple. Alright, you could pick as many colors as you like or just use 2 colors. It's all fun. Alright, now the fun part when you serve this, you can serve it on a large tray, but when you do serve it, the really fun part is to mix everything up and make it look really interesting and fun for kids to grab a piece. Okay, so this is how we're going to do that. There, something like that. Fairy bread. It's all fun. Make a little fairy garden too while you're having this for a snack. But you could try celebrating birthdays in your country using the Australian tradition. Thanks for watching. Give it a try.